Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Chaudhary. I am the student of MA Applied Economics, 4th semester, Department Banking, Economics and Finance, Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. And today we will discuss about COMESA, topic of international economics. COMESA is common market for Eastern and Southern Africa, which include itself 21 African states, over 600 million people. COMESA was established in year 1994 by replacing PTA, that is Preferential Trading Area, which has existed from earlier days of 1981. COMESA is the largest market for trade and investment worldwide. Basically, it include or work for African states. COMESA covers almost $805 billion of total GDP, and its exports and imports of goods worldwide, or we say globally, is of around 325 billion US dollars. If we talk about its geographical area, it covers almost 12 million kilometers square of area, which is 2/3 of African continent area. We will talk about the partners of COMESA. So the partners of COMESA are USAID, European Union, World Bank and African Development Fund. Now, what COMESA offers for its members and partners? So, it offers a wider, harmonized and more competitive market for its partner, a greater industrial activity and competitiveness. It increased agricultural production and food security for its partner, more rational exploitation of natural resources, more harmonized monetary, banking and financial policies, more reliable transport and communications infrastructures. Now, we will take a look on the prioritized areas of COMESA. So, the areas where COMESA prioritize, first is free trade area, which was achieved on 31st October 2000, when 9 member states, which were Djibouti, Kenya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mauritius, Sudan, Zambia, Zimbabwe, eliminated their tariff on COMESA originated products. After that, on 1st January 2004, Burundi and Rwanda also joined the FTA, the Free Trade Area, under tariff reduction schedule adopted in year 1992. Second is Customs Union, a merger of 2 or more customs territories into a single customs territory. It is called the Customs Union, so in which customs duties and other measures that restrict trade get eliminated. The 11th meeting regarding CU, that is Customs Union, held in Cairo, Egypt. Third one and last one is trade promotion, which includes trade liberalization and customs corporations, improving the administrations of transport and communications, creating and encouraging growth of private sectors, harmonization of macroeconomic and monetary policies throughout the region. Now, the core values of COMESA. So, first is satisfaction of customers. It delivers services with professionalism, integrity and innovation. Then quality leadership, teamwork and respect for each other in the enabling environment. Then people of COMESA care for environment and they uphold their social responsibilities very well. Now, which institutes come under COMESA are CCJ, that is COMESA Court of Justice, CDC, COMESA Business Council. Third one is TDB, that is Trade and Development Bank. Another one is RIA, the Regional Investment Agency. Then ALLPI, that is African Leather and Leather Production Institute. Then ATIA, that is African Trade Insurance Agency. Another is CCC is COMESA Competitions Commission. Then ZEPRE is COMESA Reinsurance Company. Then CMI is COMESA Monetary Institution. Then COMFWP, it works for women empowerment. It COMESA Federation of Women in Business. Then FAERESA, that is the Regional Association of Energy Regulations for Eastern and Southern Africa. COMESA launches so many schemes for education, for training, for employment. Majorly or new launch is under category of education and training. First is from OACPS, launched second call for application of the ACP EU cultural program for East Africa. And then COMESA Master's Degree Program in Regional Integration, then Master of Regional Integration, University of Mauritius, then Master of Regional Integration, Kenyatta University. And what is the role of India in COMESA? So, India is one of the competitive partner of COMESA. Our High Commissioner in Lusaka is accredited to COMESA secretaries as India's special representative to COMESA Secretariat, which is based in Lusaka. That's it. Thank you.